Here you go, guys. Oh my goodness. You see the side profile, guys? Oh my goodness. This is lovely. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I got a nice video for you. So today we're working on the 2020 Accord, and today we are doing the Duckbill spoiler on the 2020 Accord. I'm really excited about this one, so I'm gonna walk you guys through it. It should be fairly simple. I think taking the old one off is actually a lot harder than putting the new one on. But without further ado, guys, let's go. A lot of you guys who watch my channel have not subscribed. Boop, boop, boop. Hit the subscribe button down below. Put notification bell on so you don't miss any of my video. Without further ado, let's CarStomIt. So the first thing we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna open the trunk. There we go. To take this little scrawny little Duckbill off, we have to get access to it underneath here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pop all these clips off and then see what else that's behind it. Let's go. So guys, there's a bunch of these little clips we're gonna have to literally push out. I think you have to pinch it this way. There's one, I think 2, 3, 4, and over here, let me check. Over here there's a screw right here. Let me see, can you see it, guys? Right here, there's a screw right here, one on each side. Here's the other one. There you go. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take out these. I think these are 8. They look like 8. Hold on, let me get my tools. All right guys, so we use a long extension and this is 8. So be careful, guys. That's very important not to drop it. All right, here's what you do. Now take this out and then unscrew it. And then let me get my magnet on this side. Okay, just keep going. Oh. Do you feel like it's almost there?
I feel like it's really moving.
Let me get it close. Okay, it's good. Okay, move down. Oh, issues. Okay, guys, I got it. Oh, it's strong. There you go. I got it. I use the magnet to make sure it doesn't drop. So we got to do the same thing. This guy right here, guys, where my magnet is. Okay.
All right, be ready.
Okay. All right. Hold on. Okay, ready? Okay. Pull your thing. All right. All right. It's a strong magnet. I like it. Look at, guys. I got it. So guys, here's what we did. We lifted this up a little bit. We put the trim removal tool underneath it, and then we're gonna try to push the clips. I think there's one here, there's a couple on the other side. So what we're doing, guys, you see it, you just pinch it on the side and then it popped off. So we're gonna keep doing the same thing over here. So to make sure it keeps going, so we just move this guy to the next one, and then so yeah, now you can really see how we're doing it. Move. Yeah, right there. Should grab it really. Okay, that one is out.
Too much. That'll stay up. They put something up in here.
All right, guys, on to the next one. I got it. Oh, you got it. Next one. Now we got one, 2 more, guys. All right, last one.
Oh, that's why it's not doing anything.
Why?
I had to move that.
Oh, okay. Oh, there we go. There we go. So now all the stuff are off, guys. I think there's like a little big 3M tape here, but let's double check first. I forgot, guys, I'm sorry. There's a clip on that end here. You see? There's a clip right there. So we're gonna try to do that one too. So,
hold it? I got it.
Yeah, it's off. All right, last one over here, guys. All right. All right, guys, here it is. That's what it was. I don't even know what this thing does. It's so tiny. So here it is, guys. So now what we gotta do is clean this guy up really, really well. All right, let's go to work. Good job too. All right, guys, so now it's all cleaned up. We're gonna go get the other stuff ready. Let's go. All right, guys, so we put some 3M tape over here. We're gonna put another piece here. So here it is. So now we're gonna go to the car and line it up and install it. Let's go. So guys, what we're doing, we're just taking the 3M tape cover off. Alright guys, so what we did, we pulled it off just a tiny bit everywhere so we can easily pull this off when we're ready. So now all we have to do is just line everything up. So there you go, guys. Look how nice we lined this thing up. I love it. Look at it, guys. So it is, guys. What do you guys think? I think we lined the ish out of this. It's almost, I think it looks factory. Look how nice this makes the back of the car look. Oh, it is lovely. You see the side profile, guys? Oh my goodness, this is lovely. And when you got this guy with it, oh, that is beautiful. I love it, guys. I mean, guys, it is beautiful. The side profile, I mean, you can't get away from the side profile, guys. Look at that, it matches so well. Woohoo! Oh my goodness. Oh, that's lovely. All right, guys, as you can see, it is all done. That wing looks beautiful. I love it, guys. I love it. I love it. Anyway, guys, like and subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comment down below. I think it looks amazing. So anyway, thank you for watching, guys. Until the next time, peace.